I just wanted to show y'all something to be aware of when filling out these creator connections free sample forms. You can see here in my group, one was flagged. It's this one right here. This one was sent to the group. Oh yeah, this is a free group, by the way. These forms get sent every day. But this is one that you have to be aware of. So this one here, we found it in creator connections. Click the forms. It was selling good, so yes, I wanted to a free sample of that. Started filling out this form, and in the bottom, they have a. They're trying to sneak in terms and conditions. They don't all have this, but this one did. And this one is basically saying that uh, they own all of your content and they could use it however they want. So they're getting free usage rights uh, if you fill out their sample form. So just be careful. They're not all like this, but you do get some brands that are trying to sneak that in.